internet, welcome to the channel. My name's Daryl. Yeah, welcome to Off the Couch. So it's been a while since I did a video. It's been a couple of weeks. Reason for that is, as you guys know, I have been moving house. And yeah, if you've been watching my videos, and if not, you have some explaining to do, my friend. So we have been moving house. That's been a big drama and massive stress. We found a house, we signed up for a house. Over the last month I've been doing emails, phone calls, text messages, filling out forms. I am now a qualified office receptionist. So if anyone's hiring, let me know. So that's the reason why there's been no videos for a few weeks. And yeah, not much else to say really. Alright, so today we are in Huapai, New Zealand. Huapai is in West Auckland. I thought I'd take you guys for a quick zap around the shops. I'm not going to be able to cover all of Huapai today. But yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick bled around the shops, show you guys what it's all about. And you can judge for yourselves. It's changed a lot over the years. So we'll zap around the block and we'll finish off coming down this road. So I'm going to shut up for a bit and let you guys take in the sights. And as my old crusty memory kicks in, I'll tell you guys a bit about it. So all of this here never used to be here. Just used to all be grass. So if you guys watch my Riverhead video, this is about 10 minutes drive from Riverhead. And if we go further down that way for about 5 minutes, that's where I grew up for the second part of my childhood in Waimaku. So I will do a little vlog thing about that. So that road at the end of the intersection there is Highway 16, and if you go left, well, if you turn left it goes on to Highway 16. That whole road there, left and right, is Highway 16. So if you go left it goes towards Westgate, if you go right it goes towards heading towards Waimaku, Rewiri, into Helensville. It's so busy here, there's so many cars. So yeah, it's been a pretty busy few weeks. We've had a church conference we had to do as well. So we were, getting all geared up for that and making the church look good and everything like that. And it's just been a real busy time for me, eh? So much traffic, so many people. So that dairy over there, or shop as you may know it, is called the Pink Spot. I'll leave your imagination to figure that one out. And that red A-frame building you see in the front there is the Huapai Tavern. My mum used to work there. I grew up in that pub. I remember one day I went to school and I was in the principal's office, and the principal said to me, "Where's your mum today?" And I said, "She's in the pub." He gave me a funny look, and I failed to actually mention that she was working in the pub, so I didn't make mum look too flash.
I should have got one of those extra.
Hey, what's your PIN number? So as usual for you guys, see Huapai carries on down in there and it leads into Kumu. I will do one for Kumu at some point, and also for Waimeoku. So I'm not going to get too into it today. It's just a quick walk around the shops, give you guys a nosy. In regards to videos, we have to move into our new house on the 12th. So we're packing at the moment. We've organised it so the internet's all ready and up and going when we move in. But of course, unpacking and doing all of that stuff, there is a chance I may not be able to get a video out for another couple of weeks. So just bear with me. So go through this transitional time in my life, you know. It's just the way it is, unfortunately. Need a change of clothing, ladies? There we go. This takeaway shop here used to be called the Thai Yen Restaurant. Is it still? No, now it's just called Chinese takeaways and noodles. Sushi, anyone? That used to be his bank. Now it's a pet store. How you going, guys?
Good, thank you.
Alright, so this seems like a nice place to finish. Blossoms in the background. Yeah, so I'm going to try and get some more videos out. Maybe a couple of weeks. As I said, we're moving house and it's a bit of a, you know, dramatic in time at the moment. But I'll do my best. Yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks very much. Take it easy. Oh, if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and share and all that sort of stuff. Cool, man. See you guys.